Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest breakdowns of top gear. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best drive shift knob on the market, the Mishimoto MMSK-BK weighted shift knob. Whether you're a casual commuter or an enthusiast chasing the perfect gear change, this one is going to catch your interest. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the Mishimoto MMSK-BK impresses with its premium, polished black steel construction. Weighing in at 12.8 ounces or 360 grams, it has the kind of heft that immediately tells you, this is not your average shift knob. That added weight? It's intentional. It smooths out your shifts, gives a more direct feel when rolling through gears, and honestly, just makes the whole driving experience more refined. Now, let's talk compatibility. Mishimoto includes 3 different thread pitch adapters in the box: M8X 1.25, M10X 1.5, and M12X 1.25. That makes it a nearly universal fit for most manual transmission vehicles. So whether you're driving a Japanese import, a European performance car, or an older domestic model, there's a good chance this shift knob will slot right in with minimal fuss. Installation is as straightforward as it gets. You simply select the correct adapter for your shifter, thread it on, and tighten the knob into place. There's no need for specialized tools or modifications. It's a plug-and-play experience, and the result is a rock-solid connection that doesn't wobble or come loose mid-drive. On the road, the benefits become immediately apparent. The weighted feel makes shifts feel deliberate and fluid, especially in quick succession. This isn't just about performance either. Even during regular city driving or long commutes, the ergonomic contour of the knob makes it comfortable to grip and rest your hand on. It has a rounded shape that feels natural in your palm, whether you're shifting aggressively or just cruising. Visually, the black polished finish with the iconic Mishimoto M logo is a clean, understated flex. It complements most interiors, from sport compacts to luxury sedans, and adds a premium touch without screaming for attention. If black's not your thing, don't worry, Mishimoto offers other finishes like silver and gold, so you can match your interior style or personal taste. And let's not forget durability. Made from alloy steel, this knob is built to last. It's solid, it's dense, and it doesn't wear down easily over time. It's the kind of component you install once and forget about, because it just works, and it keeps working. For anyone who takes pride in how their car feels and drives, this is a surprisingly impactful upgrade. It may seem like a small change, but the tactile feedback it provides, the smoother transitions, and even the look, they all add up to a more satisfying experience behind the wheel. So if you're looking for an upgrade that's simple, sleek, and genuinely functional, the Mishimoto MMSK-BK weighted shift knob earns its title as the best drive shift knob. This isn't just an accessory, it's an enhancement. That wraps up today's breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. This is Product Critique, bringing clarity to your next purchase.